Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Poh Lin from JB Preschool JB branch. I'm a special need educator. How have you been during MCO? I feel very bored and so do all the teachers. So we held a challenge during MCO to brighten up our days as well as filling your spare time with those fun activities. Also, we hope that you can use this opportunity to bond with your family and parents more. After I accept the challenge from Teacher Lai, I decided to show you how to make a mini basketball game. Parents and caregivers, please do assist your children while carrying out this activity. Now, I'm going to show you how to make the mini basketball game. You will need to prepare some materials. Cardboard, 2 pieces of papers, or if you have color paper, you can use it. Marker, scissors, double-sided tape, or you can use glue, small ball. First, let's take a paper horizontally and you fold it into 3 parts like this. Then, we're going to cut it out into stripes. Boys and girls, if you need help for cutting, please ask help from your parents or caregivers. Be careful when you use scissors. You have to use it properly, if not you might hurt yourself. You might be bleeding. So next, when you cut all the stripes out, you're going to draw the neck pattern on it. Just like this. Neck pattern. And do it to the both stripes as well. And after that, you're going to fold it up together and paste it. I'm having the double-sided tape, so I'm going to use the tape to paste it on. Okay. When you are done, the net will look like this. After you are done with the 3 nets, like this, you put aside, and we take another paper, and we're going to draw a rectangle on top. And at the 2 edges, we're going to draw curve to make it look like a basketball board. Next, we're going to use the scissors carefully and cut it out. Going to cut out the edges like this, the curve. And we have to do these 3 because we have 3 nets, so we will have to have 3 boards for them. Moving on, when you are done with cutting the board, we're going to paste the board and the net together. And this is your basketball net and the board. And since we have 3 stripes and 3 boards, then we're going to be like this. I have color paper, so I decided to use color papers for my board to make more fun and more colorful. Now we're going to paste the basketball board and net on the cardboard. This is your mini basketball game and you're ready to play with it. Like this. You take the ball, you throw into the hole. And when you get 1, means you got 1 point. So you can write the number 1, 2, or 3 to indicate the point you're going to throw and you're going to get by throwing it. If parents want to integrate learning in this game, you can write the words or numbers on the board and ask the children to throw to the requested words. And if you are lacking of materials like cardboard, you can actually place the board on the wall and ask the children to throw the ball in. That's all for the mini basketball today, and hope you all enjoy this activity. If you are interested in making your own toys, there are plenty of ideas which are accessible online easily. Go ahead and to create your own toys. While waiting for MCO to pass, please remember to take care of yourself and stay at home. Teachers are really looking forward to meet you all again in school. Before I end this video, I would like to pass the challenge to our operation manager, Miss Yvonne, and let's see what she will show us. So stay tuned for this Facebook page. That's all for me today. Thank you and bye-bye.